Hello crafters, it's been a while and I'm glad to be back. I am making another clay video, and this time I have seen a couple different videos of this technique. I'm not too sure what it's called, but it's pretty much where you go ahead and layer different colors of clay, and then you take your little cutter and then you just start like scraping off pieces, and then you put it together and make one complete slab. So it looks super beautiful, and I want to try it out with you guys with my scrap pieces or just my pieces that have not been completely used. So I've got this bin right here of minus this one and this one and this one. But everything else has been pretty much used, at least half or a portion of it. So I want to use this one and then this bin right here as well. So I am excited. I'm not sure what colors I'll be using, but I know I want to use at least 6 to 9 colors. So let's go ahead and pick out a few colors. I know for sure I want something bright and vibrant, something like summery, because you know, we're in the middle of summer, it's pretty hot, and I want to enjoy the last few, pretty much month or two left of it. So I think I'm gonna go with this beautiful neonish green, orange, yellow. Oh, that's such a pretty like mix, it's so pretty. And then I want to go with these right here as well. There's 6, probably go with that. But I will, I think, intense this one right here with this blue one. And that'll be it for that part, or that little bin. And then now I want to add, we could add some red. We can add pink. I've got 9 colors, so that is awesome. Yeah, I don't think I need more than that. That is a pretty good amount of color. Should I? Nah, it's okay. Now that we have chosen our colors, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so now that we have our colors chosen and I have cleaned off my area and my roller, let's go ahead and take each piece and just start rolling them out. I think I'll just go ahead and pretty much choose like probably half of each little bar, and that should be more than enough. But yes, I am excited to be back with you guys. It's been a long time since I've actually recorded a video. I did upload a video I think like a week or so ago, and that video was actually, I had it on my YouTube uploaded for at least a month, and I just had not published it just because I've had so much going on with family and work, and yeah, it's just a lot at the moment. But hopefully I can take some time and be able to upload some videos and do what I like, which is craft. That's what I made this channel for, to go ahead and craft my heart away. But yes, I love it. I do a bunch of different kinds of crafts. I don't just do polymer clay. I do sublimation, vinyl, bracelet making, stickers, just a bunch of things. I love just just a bunch of different artistic crafts. And now I've actually gotten into gardening, which is something that I've always liked, but I've never really actually like had or made myself a garden. But a couple, like 2 months ago, I just started to buy a bunch of plants, seeds, mulch, soil, fertilizer, just about everything you need to garden. And I made a 4x4 hole in my garden, or my yard pretty much, and I just started gardening different vegetables, and I've learned so much. I've watched hundreds of videos, well, not maybe hundreds, but plenty of videos, and I've been getting into it a lot. I've loved it so much. Only thing is, it is time consuming, it is hard work, and it's worth it. In like some ways it's worth it because you get a cool experience of gardening and getting your own fruits and veggies, but the other thing is it's pretty pricey. Like any hobby, pretty much. It can get pricey and you pretty much don't make back whatever you spend, because food and veggies and all that stuff is, it's not that it's cheap, but if you garden it and plant it yourself, it's gonna be way more expensive than if you just go to Kroger's, Walmart, wherever, and just buy it. So I'm not doing it to save money, I'm just doing it because I like it, and it's kind of like crafting where you just get your mind busy and relax and just do your thing. So yeah, I like it, and I'm sorry for saying so much. It's just, I don't know, I always say it. I know someone had commented on one of my videos, you should stop saying so, like so much, like it's unprofessional. And I was just like, I'm sorry, I'm not doing it on purpose, and I am trying my hardest to not say it. But you know, it just comes out. So I am sorry. See, there it goes again. I am sorry, okay? Most of this clay is pretty soft. I'm thinking it's like Sculpey 3, because yeah, it is pretty small. Or not soft. Because yeah, it is pretty soft. So I'm not sure if I will like that, but hey, that's what we got going on today, and hope you guys are doing good. And just let me continue. I'll be back when I have these ready to go in little square pieces and mixed up together. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and just roll it out a little bit, because now we're gonna actually put it into our pasta roller, or our Atlas roller. So I know it looks crazy. I know, like it looks very colorful and super duper bright and loud, but I don't know, I wasn't thinking anything less, so hopefully it turns out somewhat decent once I actually make out the cutout. Only thing is, let's go ahead and fold it just a little bit so we can get it to be a little bit thicker, I guess. What should I cut? Let's see. Let's do this one. Let's actually just mix this stuff in there. I don't know. Let's see what we get, okay? We're just trying things out. We can't be scared to try stuff out. Let's just go ahead and try it and see what we get, okay? Now let's give it one more roll with this roller, and then now we're gonna go ahead and use our 150 roller. Let me also clean up this mess. Probably would get sticky because, yeah, that blue is very, very sticky and I don't like it. Okay, so this is what we get. What do you guys think? I actually like it. It's crazy. I know it's super crazy, but I like it. I think it's gonna look good after we use our cutters. And let me go ahead and do the same thing with this, and I'll be back so we can put them together into one big chunk. So this is what we have with the second slab. I'm actually thinking this one's way prettier. I don't know what you guys think, but both sides are just stunning. Oh my god, I don't even know what side to choose, honestly. Like, they are beautiful. This one, I like this side more than this side. I don't know. Well, no. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I think I'll use this side then. They're both so different. Like, I love them. I think I'm gonna go ahead with this side, and then for this one, and then this one, I guess I'll just have to choose this one right here because I need something of both, like both worlds, you know? Let me go ahead and fold this one up once more. I am taking a risk, but let's go ahead and see what we get, okay? Let's go ahead and see. So I'm gonna have these two slabs to work with. Sorry for the background noise, okay? I'm so sorry about that. This is what we've got. I don't know what I think about this one. I don't know. Okay, let's use our cutter, cut some out, bake them, and then we will finish them up. But I love this one way more. For some reason, this one is just calling my name. It's like, I think it's because of the pinks, the purples, the blues. It looks so pretty. And then this one here, I love the reds and the yellows. It looks like fire, lava. I don't know, it looks cool. And this is the result. I love how they turned out so much. They are stunning and better than what I expected. This set right here is just so pretty. Like, the slab is just perfect. I love all the shades and tones. It's just so pretty to look at, and I could wear them every day. This is my second favorite set. I love the pinks and the reds. I just love these colors so much, and I could wear them every single day. And the shape is just so pretty. These, I would say, are like first place with the other first set. They're just stunning. Like, this specific slab is the best I've made. I love this one too. Like, the lines, I don't know, it just makes it look perfect, and just the color combination is the best. I really, really love them. These right here are so pretty. I just wish I could have had a little more of like the left one, like the orange, red, and yellow onto the right one. It would have looked so pretty and perfect. And then this one here, oh my gosh, this one is also one of my favorites. I just love this shape and the color combination. Same with this one. I don't even know which one is my favorite. Like, I have a few favorites, but I don't know which one is my top favorite. I really enjoyed making this slab. Hope you guys liked this video, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.